In this video, I'll show you how to clean up your TradingView chart and remove anything you no longer need. Sometimes after doing your analysis, your chart can become full of trend lines, drawings, shapes, and indicators. Instead of deleting each one manually, TradingView gives you a faster way to clear everything at once. To start, open the chart you want to clean. Now, look near the lower left side of the chart area. You should see a small trash icon. Click on it. A menu will appear with different cleaning options. Select Remove Drawings if you only want to delete things like lines, boxes, arrows, and other drawing tools. Select Remove Indicators if you only want to remove the indicators added to the chart. And if you want a completely fresh chart, choose Remove Drawings and Indicators. After selecting the option you want, TradingView will instantly remove those items from your chart. Now your chart should look clean and ready for a new analysis. And that's how you clear a TradingView chart quickly. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple TradingView guides.